guys, so there's nothing more than a Rasgulla and a Bobbie my husband loves. So he asked me to put the two together and I came up with this recipe. So to make this, we're starting with some powdered milk. To the powdered milk, I'm going to go in with flour and baking powder. You want to mix those ingredients to combine. It's the same way as making a Rasgulla, just we're stuffing it with a Bobbie. Next, add enough milk to bring it together to form a soft dough. Once it forms a soft dough, let it sit for 2 minutes. That's the secret to getting this Rasgulla to be really nice and smooth. After sitting, you're going to take a little bit of ghee in your fingertips just to help this from sticking, to avoid it from sticking. Break a small piece of dough big enough to cover the Bobbie. Open out that dough and place the Bobbie in the center and close it up and roll it to form a smooth ball. Once you form the smooth ball, set it aside and continue rolling out the rest of Rasgullas or Bobbie stuffed Rasgullas. The ghee really helps. And if you guys find that your milk mixture is drying out on you, all you have to do is add some more of that evaporated milk and allow it to soften up before you continue. Once you finish rolling all of the balls, it's time to fry these beautiful, delicious balls. So to your oil that's on a low heat, you don't want it to be too high because they have to take their time. Place the balls and allow them to fry. Usually what I like to do is just take my spoon and just move them around a little bit just until they start floating, because if you were to leave them, they can stick to the bottom and one side can burn. So continue to fry until they have a beautiful brown color. You don't want them to be too dark, or if you like it dark, that's up to you. Once they're finished, they're really puffed up and beautiful like this. You're going to take them out and drain them on some paper towels. Next, let's make this sugar syrup to soak these balls in. So to my pot, I have some sugar. I'm going in with water. We're going to create a simple syrup. All you have to do is bring up to a boil. When the sugar crystal dissolves, set it aside for 5 minutes, let it cool down, and then pour it into the Rasgulla. I don't like going directly from the stove with the piping hot liquid in the Rasgulla. Always allow it to cool down a little bit. Next, mix ever so gently and as often as you could until it feels like a sponge, and then the Rasgulla is ready. So I hope you guys enjoy this really easy and delicious recipe. I've never seen this anywhere else. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please leave me your comments down below. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.